Hi everybody, welcome to Nature's Masterpiece YouTube channel. In this video we're gonna plant grape seeds together. And also at the end of this video I'm gonna show you how to make grape iced tea together. First of all, we need to deseed some grapes. Okay, next step is to put them in water for about 2 days. Actually, I've done this process before. These were in water for 2 days. And now the next step is to put these on a paper towel and make them ready for cold stratification. So let me put this aside. Put it in a sealed container. Spray some water to keep them moist. Now the next step is to put them in refrigerator. And you will probably notice the first sign of germination within 4 weeks. Actually, I've done the whole process before to show you the result. Our result will be like this. Now I'm gonna plant them. This is perlite. As I have mentioned at the beginning of this video, I'm gonna show you how to make grape iced tea, and I'll be back. Now I'm gonna explain how to make grape iced tea. Ingredients we need are grape syrup, lemon juice, lukewarm water, and ice cubes. Here I have some grapes, and also I have these destemmed grapes right here. Before doing anything, I want to show you how to make homemade grape syrup. First thing first, we need good quality juicy grapes, at least 5 kilograms. Remember, you can choose any kinds of grapes you want. So the first step is to juice grapes in a juicer. Okay, use a strainer to get rid of all extra parts and pour grape juice in a large pan. And now I'm gonna do the same for the rest. Okay, heat it over medium. And let it come to a boil. And as it heats up, continue to stir. Remember to skim the foam from the surface. Stop heating up when it reaches 1/3 of its amount. Okay, that's enough. Let's get back to our ingredients. Okay, this is our grape syrup. Okay, we need grape syrup, lemon, lukewarm water, and a bit of ice cubes. Actually, you can add grape syrup as much as you want. It tastes amazing. Give it a try and make your own. And leave your comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.